Here's how to add Instagram shopping with Shopify store. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to go to your Shopify store. Once you are logged into your Shopify account, now here you have to click on the add apps option at the bottom, and once you click on it, now it will redirect to your Shopify apps store, and here you have to click on the Shopify app store at the bottom. Now here in the Shopify store you have to search for the Instagram shopping, and once you click for it, now it will open these apps. These are the various apps by the different developers you can add to your store, but I will recommend you to add this one to your store. Now click on the add app option, and once you click on it, now it will take you to this interface. Now here you have to add all the details. After entering all of your details, now your Shopify is connected to with Instagram shopping. So that's how to add Instagram shopping to your Shopify store.